What is up, my friends? I am Mumfy. Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new, thank you so much for joining. It is a beautiful day out here. Yes, it's been raining a little bit, but I mean, look at this backdrop. I'm up close to the mountains and the clouds are low. It's amazing out here. And just kind of whipping around. Check out the valley view behind me. Isn't that awesome? Today we are announcing the winners of the 1,000 subscriber contest. And if you followed all of the rules in the announcement video, you have your chance to win one of the awesome prizes, including one of 2 screen protectors and that $150 code from Taco Clout. I can't thank those guys enough. They are simply awesome. Check them out. So without further ado, let's just get into it. All right, so we're gonna do this like I've done the giveaways in the past. It is gonna be a comment picker, so I have my phone here. We're gonna go to my YouTube comment picker. I've already got the URL of the video, and I'm going to filter based on the specific comment that I had you guys type in your comment on the 1K video. So we're going to load this up. Looks like we got 34 comments that match the love to win. So first, let's just go ahead. All right, we got Michael Cole. Congratulations, you are the first winner of one of 2 screen protection kits. So congratulations. You'll have to either email me at mumfy64@gmail.com or send me a DM on Instagram, Mumfy_taco. All right, that's one screen protection kit gone. So let's pick our second winner. Breeze Rides. Wow, congratulations. You have won the $150 gift code to Taco Clout. Congratulations. You're the big winner there. Let's move on to our next winner. All right, Brad. You're our next winner, and the Taco Clout gift card has been given away already. So your second choice is the screen protection. So that's both screen protect kits gone and the $150 code to Taco Clout. Sorry, but those have been chosen already. So now we have the center console and the switch control panel left. All right, Nismo 613. Your second choice was the switch panel, so you are the winner of the switch panel. So congratulations. Now the last one that we have is going to be the center console. Hey, Tim Latour, you are the center console divider winner. So that wraps up all of the prizes that I had so far. The 2 screen protect kits, the 150 Taco Clout code, the center console, and the switch controller. So congratulations to all the winners. Thank you each and every one of you who commented down below. I really appreciate you guys. So thanks to each and every one of you who followed the directions and put down a comment below. Be sure to reach out to me, either hit me up on Instagram at Mumfy_taco or email me at Mumfy64@gmail.com, and we'll work on getting those prizes out to you. So congratulations everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.